हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं रामेंद्र सिंह चौहान। बिना किसी लाग लपेट के सीधी बात। जी हां, देश की इस समय मौजूदा हालात में सबसे बड़ी और गंभीर समस्या क्या है, क्या आप जानते हैं? जी हां, देश की सबसे बड़ी और गंभीर समस्या है रोड एक्सीडेंट की। रोड एक्सीडेंट में लाखों लोग प्रतिवर्ष मारे जाते हैं, यानी मौत का शिकार होते हैं। जी हां, भारत में यानी अपने देश में 5 से 7 लाख रोड एक्सीडेंट प्रति वर्ष होते हैं, जिसमें 1.5 से 2.25 लाख लोग मौत का शिकार होते हैं। इतना ही नहीं, 3 लाख से अधिक लोग गंभीर स्थिति में पहुंच जाते हैं, यानी वो अपाहिज हो जाते हैं, चोटिल हो जाते हैं, या विकलांग हो जाते हैं, या गंभीर तरह से वह चोट खाते हैं जिसका निदान होना चाहिए। इतना ही नहीं, ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री से राज्य सरकार को, केंद्र सरकार को जीएसटी के रूप में बड़ी तादाद में रेवेन्यू मिलता है। अब सरकार की माने तो 15 लाख करोड़ रुपए इस इंडस्ट्री से जीएसटी के रूप में भारत सरकार और राज्य सरकार को मिलता है। अब यह गंभीर चिंता का विषय है, इसका निदान कौन करेगा? निश्चित रूप से राज्य सरकार, भारत सरकार की यह जिम्मेदारी है। इस बाबत नितिन गडकरी यानी केंद्रीय सड़क, राजमार्ग एवं परिवहन मंत्री नितिन गडकरी खुद स्वीकार करते हैं कि देश में हर साल 5 लाख रोड एक्सीडेंट होते हैं, जिसमें 1.5 लाख लोग मारे जाते हैं। इतना ही नहीं, 3 लाख करीब लोग विकलांग हो जाते हैं या गंभीर रूप से घायल हो जाते हैं, जिनका लंबे समय तक इलाज चलता है। इसमें लाखों करोड़ों रुपए खर्च होते हैं। सबसे बड़ी गंभीर समस्या है देशवासियों के सामने कि उनका परिवार का कोई व्यक्ति प्रभावित होता है या उसका शिकार होता है, उस परिवार की क्या दशा होती है, यह जानना जरूरी है। एक गंभीर विषय है। भारत सरकार को इस बारे में गंभीरता से विचार करना चाहिए, सोचना चाहिए। या खुद स्वीकार करते हैं केंद्रीय सड़क, राजमार्ग एवं परिवहन मंत्री नितिन गडकरी। आइए नितिन गडकरी क्या कहते हैं, आप भी सुनिए उन्होंने क्या कहा है।
This is really one of the big problem for the country. Every year we have 5 lakh accidents and 1.5 lakh deaths and 3 lakh serious injuries. 400 accidental deaths per hour in the country. This is the statistic. Socioeconomic loss is 3.1%, 14% of GDP, and 70% of deaths in the age group of 18 to 40 years. This is really very, very painful for all of us. India is the second largest road network in the world because we have 63 lakh kilometer of road network. US has got 68, and our national and state highway shares only 5.5% in road network. The 65% accident deaths occurs on highways. Road safety is the topmost priority for the government, and it's a big challenge. Target is to reduce accident deaths by 50% by 2024. Previously it was 2030. But why we changed this target? It is because of the success story of Tamil Nadu. With the cooperation of World Bank and Tamil Nadu state government has taken initiative, and they reduced the deaths and accidents by 50%. So it is a difficult job, but it is not impossible. We can make it with the cooperation of the people like you. And that is the reason that we have now fixed up this target, where we need your help for that. Now the problem is that regarding the road accident, there are a lot of problems related with the different stakeholders. And I know that particularly the people like you who are making research, survey, and all details about it, you have got the information what is exactly the reason for the accidents. The artificial intelligence is very important and the new technologies which are already there, the implementation of the new technology, it can be great relief to the people. The enforcement of lane discipline on national highway is very, very important. Regarding the behavior of the drivers, Nivrutti ji was discussing with me. I will suggest you one thing. With the cooperation of the automobile manufacturing industry, we can formulate a course, 3 days course for the drivers and teaching them and giving them certificate by which it can be possible. Because I always feel that Prabodhan, Prashikshan, these are the most important thing everywhere in the field. Either it is to be management of any field or even in politics also. When I was president for the party, we have formulated the syllabus for working of MLA, MPs and minister. Because no one is perfect and no one can claim that he is perfect. Here it is the time for the country that we need to have appropriate training by which we can be given a proper information to the stakeholders, and 100% I am confident that the change will be really good for the society. Always I was talking to the people that the innovation, entrepreneurship, finance, technology, research, skilled and successful practices, we name it as knowledge. And conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future. And that is the reason that we are making lot of progress. Regarding automobile industry, the one of the important industry having the turnover of 6.5 lakh crores. Out of which 3 lakh crore is our export. Our Bajaj, TVS and Hero, they are 50% but two-wheelers they are exporting. So this industry is giving employment to 4 crore 50 lakh young talented youth of this country. The ancillary industries is equally important. And this is the industry which is giving at least highest revenue to the state and central government as a GST. So this is very important industry, and my dream is to make this industry of 15 lakh crore up to the end of 25. And we want to make Indian automobile manufacturing is the #1 manufacturing hub in the world. All reputed brands in the world are today present in India. The young talented engineering manpower is with us. Our raw material cost is reasonably good, and that is the reason that because of the technology we can make miracles. It is already proven. So here for the road sector, it is very important. When there is increase in automobile industry, the number of vehicle we are going to increase. At the same time, it is our responsibility to see that the safe road, and that is very important because we are presently facing a lot of problems. Regarding overspeeding and detection of seat belts in vehicles, forensic post-crash investigation, patterns of accidents on black spots, fatigue indicators and sleep detectors for drivers, repair and maintenance scheduling of pavement and bridges, advanced traffic management system on highway for smooth and safe traffic operation. These are very important subject and technical subject. Competition of successful practices in road safety, the inspiration and motivation for all stakeholders is very, very important. Capacity building for skilled workforce and digital literacy for wide technical application is equally important. Now the digital technology for road safety is also important. Mixed traffic nature in India, no lane discipline is there. And already people are taking opportunity to park their vehicle on the road. Just it is a place which is made for them from the government for their parking. And that is exactly the people are feeling. So lack of driving sense and behavior issues, no respect for traffic laws and rules, and no fear for offense. इन्हें डर भी नहीं है कानून के प्रति और सम्मान भी नहीं है. That easily they can manage. I don't want to elaborate it because you know that what type of corruption is going on. And that is the reason that people are not taking very seriously. The Motor Vehicle Amendment Act puts heavy fines, but effective enforcement is also a challenge. When I have taken this Motor Vehicle Amendment Act to the Parliament, there was lot of debate for 1 year. I have to convince every party, state government, regional parties, I calling the people, convince them that my intention is not taking the charge, giving more fine for the people. But our problem is to reduce the road accidents. And today it is related with the four important things, that digital technology adoption in 4 E's. One is engineering, that is road engineering and vehicle engineering. Here is a big problem. As a minister, I am telling you, we have got the DPR of poor quality. Because in the tender, the lowest is the final thing. And that is the reason that the basic problem starts from DPR. So if you can make some arrangement and making your 3 days course for the companies who are making DPR and the people like Piyush and other, you call them, what are the mistakes are there? I am so much annoyed about all these things, that the way in which the people are behaving. We need to use all new technology for making of DPR. And there is a problem. Everywhere in the square there is a problem. No one is going to bother. I never understand. Once I asked one question to one person, that when your son, death will be there on the road, then you will be serious about it. Because I am also faced a big road accident in my life. My whole family was there, and when I was leader of opposition in Maharashtra, with police protection, I faced the accident. And that was really a big problem for me. So my suggestion is that digital technology adoption in 4 E's. One is engineering, road engineering and vehicle engineering. Enforcement, that is education and emergency medical service. If there is no accidents, we don't need medical services. And that is very important for us.